Growing YouTube channel and making your videos viral can be very tedious at first place, especially when you are new to YouTube. Therefore, in this video we are going to teach you how to find viral tags and make your videos viral in minutes. So I'm gonna show you 3 best methods to find viral tags online, add it to your videos and get millions of views from YouTube. But make sure you watch the entire video so you get all the 3 best methods and find the best viral tags that you need for your videos. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. But before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, like the video and comment the best methods of finding viral tags. The first method for finding viral tags can be YouTube search itself. Just go to YouTube search and write your keyword there, like I'm adding cooking, and I'm getting a lot of search results here. These search results can be best viral tags for your videos that you can copy from here, paste it somewhere else, then add it to your videos and you will be getting millions of views. YouTube says that these are the keywords that people are searching on YouTube for the keyword cooking. The second best method for finding viral tags is a free tool, that is rapidtags.io. What you need to do is to go to this rapidtags.io/generator link. You will see this page right in front of you. Just click on the search bar and write your topic there. For example, I'm writing cooking. After writing cooking, if I press enter, it will give me these tags that I can copy and add to my videos. For example, there is a button copy. I can copy this, go to my YouTube video and add these tags to my videos. After copying these tags, I will go to my YouTube video, and while uploading my video, I can add these tags to the description and also the tag section. It will help the YouTube algorithm to show my videos to many people who are searching related to cooking. The third method is to use another free tool, that is keywordtool.io. When you go to keywordtool.io, you will see this page. Just click on YouTube button, you will see this search bar. Click on this search bar and add your topic here. For example, I'm adding the same cooking topic here, and when I press enter, it will take a few seconds to check my browser, and after checking it will give me the search results. You can see right here it gives me all these tags that I can check and copy from here. After copying these tags, I can go to my YouTube video, add the tags to the description and the tag section while uploading my video, and after that these tags will help the YouTube algorithm to show my video to more and more people. So these are the 3 best methods for finding viral tags for your YouTube videos. If you like this video, please smash the like button, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, so you can be notified when new videos are posted here. Thanks for watching.